Well, that's the next day. Wheels are cooled off. Dunzo. Two-tone, black, gray. Nice and cool, so these are ready to put back on, and then we can get this car off the lift. So, we'll go over to the tire machine, get these mounted, and put back on the car. Okay, so, back at the tire machine now. It's been a while since we've had to do anything on this. We use the outside clamps here, so I'm not going to mar the finish or anything. And we're going to take our little eyelets out. Fingerprints all over this thing from touching it. That's how that goes. And we'll pull the stickers off the back and mount these tires without messing anything up. But nice two-tone. Don't mind the smudges grabbing the wheel, but pretty happy with it. Get to some tire installs. TPMS sensors, Volvo. Fancy computer stuff, so we'll throw the TPMSs in. I think Daddy's cleaning up the housings for those. And we are not gonna use stick-on weights, we're gonna use beads on this setup. I don't wanna put weights on these wheels, so we use the self-balancing beads on this application. It's just a little bit cleaner of a look on some freshly coated wheels, and you don't have big old wheel weights, even though I got black ones up there. I like the beads. Alright, now we got the wheel mounted. I can put the TPMS sensors in, so she's just cleaning up the little caps. So, which tire are we starting with here? Driver rear. First, don't have to go in crazy tight or hold down or anything, but good enough. Nice doing it this way too. It's a little bit quicker. These get poured right into the tire. And then they'll self-balance. Don't do it every time. Sometimes we will use the sometimes we do use regular stick-on weights. There's nothing wrong with them. But I don't want to put stickers on her, or stick-on weights on her brand new car. Little tire lube. I do beads on the wheel too. Just helps with assembly. The nice thing is on fresh powder, everything's pretty smooth. You can get rid of all that oxidization. And we'll rotate this around. Start with the valve stem just in front of the duck head. We got the extra arms if we need it. I shouldn't have to. Cleaned up. So now I got the tire on. Rotate this around. We do the outside clamps, so I can't really fully seat it, but get the bead started. Like that. Stop the clamps. Fill till pop. Fun part. Wait until it does that. Get this kind of filled up, throw the Schrader valves back in, and she's ready to go back in the car. That's what holds all the air in your tire. valves back in, we'll recheck pressure. Good there. One wheel is done and ready to go. So we got the caps that we'll throw back on here. And I'm gonna do this on the next 3. I'm not gonna film all of it because it's a pain, but the tire is back on. Give this a quick wipe with a microfiber, get all the smudges off. Center caps can go back in, tape can come off. Throw it on the car and be on our merry way. Center caps. All right, we're just about done. Drop the center caps in.
Make sure you're doing it.
XC goes at the bottom.
Right.
Bam.
Well, can you make sure it...
Let's get this thing outside in the sun. She's happy.
Don't you fuck.
Negative 15 degrees out, so threw a coat on. Let's go take a look in the sunlight. Now she's gonna drive this thing in the salt and it will just get destroyed. Oh. There we have it. If I was a better boyfriend, I would have wiped all the fingerprints off, but two-tone wheels, subtle, but she hated the silver machined face, so blacked out without being blacked out. She's happy. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all those other things. Going back to warm up, and then we can start doing more two-wheeled projects. Catch you on the next one.